Thanks everybody for sticking around as long too. This has been an awesome day. We've had 8 hours of talks and events and things. And so we are all getting into, hold on. Sort of Zoom ID. So we're all getting into, we're going to get into our final segment here, which, let me see if I can just, one moment. Yeah, my video. I'm like not able to wear a mask right now, but yeah, you won't be able to relate to the Zoom, but good luck. But yeah, so right now we are setting up YT Cracker for his DJ set, which will be happening shortly. But we wanted to make a few announcements here. So alrighty, let's see. So we had a few events that happened at the same time as this. So we had Twist to Shell that happened in the middle of the con, which was awesome. That was really fun. That was prevesking via a rootkit that was installed on the system here. I'm going to throw this in the chat too. Here's the chat log for anybody who didn't see this. A shout out to Jolly Roger 0x in the chat, who had actually done the solving. And so we have, what is it? We did Chopped as well. And so I'm going to try to invite the Chopped person, or the Chopped winner in. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to tell DNZ because he's hosting it and he's working with YT Cracker right now to let him in. But so we had somebody from Chopped who had done the actual full prompt of our Chopped game, and they had actually created the thing that we wanted to do, which was a slightly forgetful instant messenger, which uses Python 2, Microsoft SQL Server, and UDP. So I'm super excited to hear about that. And actually, give me 1 moment. I'm going to just ping DNZ real quick. So we're going back and forth between a bunch of different Zooms here. So we got the person. I'm going to see if I can get them in here to share this real quick, but I'm not sure if they'll be able to. But shout outs to CTF Circle, who won the AirGap 2020 CTF. I'll share the screen here. Oh, where did it go? Yeah, I love Zoom. It's just awesome. Yeah, so this is our scoreboard. So CTF Circle has won with 941 points, which is awesome. Followed up by Gilda and JC with 895 and 831. I was trying to get CTF Circle people into our Zoom as well, but I'm not sure if they are around. But yeah, they definitely killed it. A lot of people did really awesome though. Thanks everybody for participating because it's been quite a day. So shout outs to CTF Circle for going through and rocking that. Wait, you had one more? Oh, so the CTFD probably already closed by the time you had done this. It wouldn't accept the flag. Okay. Yeah, there's I don't even know. Oh, Compy 386. Yeah, that's closed. So yeah, sorry to anybody who didn't get to do that, but we'll probably, because a lot of the challenges are still unsolved, so we'll probably reuse them or something, or re-implement them for another CTF that happens sometime in the future. But yeah, it's open to deny the flag. Yeah, CTFD also is just kind of weird and tricky sometimes, but yeah, no, that was awesome though. So thanks everybody for participating, and thanks everybody for coming. And we had a lot of really awesome awesome speakers that came through. We had a lot of really dense technical talks that I haven't seen things like that in a lot of the virtual conferences. This has been really awesome though. But yeah, so we're gonna have YT Cracker be playing a live DJ set after this, once we get him all set up. I'm not sure exactly when that's going to start, but DNZ should hopefully be able to jump on soon and talk to us about that. But Give me one moment, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna try to become the host. Give me one moment. So apparently, so Zoom has crashed on us more times than I've had things crash on me. Zoom is not good on Linux. Zoom is not good on anything really. Oh, so here we go. Here's some people that are coming in. So admit. One moment. So yeah, it keeps crashing on us. I don't know why, but hello.
Hello.
Hey, normies. Okay, hey. So this is normies who, their team has officially won the Chopped Hackathon. And so, Norman, do you want to real quick just go over what your thing was?
Yeah, okay, so I don't know how to use Zoom to share my screen, so let me just check.
Okay, one moment.
Uh,
Hey, read me. Can you switch the scene over to there it is. Never mind, we got it. Thank you.
so is it okay now? So
Yep, I can see it.
I
Yep.
can see your screen.
can you see my VM here?
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
Okay.
it's on the screen now.
Okay, so this is a IM instant messenger that is slightly forgetful. That uses Python 2 and Microsoft SQL Server and UDP.
Yeah, first
Amazing.
I want to show the demo to you. There's actually like I simulate two different users here. So one is Alice and other is Bob. Here is actually I don't have time, so here is the receiver port and here is the sender port for UDP. So you have to know where to send which ports you have to send your message. Uh, so it's a little bit hacky, you know.
Yeah.
And some of you may notice why I I will not control uh, my program. Uh,
So what you're actually showing us is Zoom, right?
sorry.
You're showing us production Zoom.
Uh,
This is what we're looking at.
yeah,
Yep, we,
yeah,
okay.
exact. So okay, here's one, and here's the other user. So you won't be able to see uh, the message right now, but you can see it on the log. So hello from Bob. Okay, so I cannot control as you will see here. Okay, so I am just gonna kill it right now. All right. Okay, so I just want to show you uh, just the best code in the world right now. Right.
Oh,
So here is Dory. Dory is just a Python code, hacky Python code
Yeah.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
So it has two functions, start receiver and start sender. And I created two threads, receiver thread and sender thread
Mm-hmm.
right here. So here we just parse arguments and just give proper parameters to our functions
Mm-hmm.
right here. Then start these threads.
Mm-hmm.
So here you can see in start receiver that we bind the port to local. We bind our socket, and then we open a chat log text file. So uh, we receive our UDP message here.
Okay.
Uh, so let me show you chat lock, and then you can enjoy YT Cracker. Yeah, so this one is actually from append because it's append mode. It is opened in append mode. Yeah, okay. Hello from us and hello from Bob. And here's, I guess it's just signal. All right. So that's mainly it. And I didn't have time to implement all of my ideas here.
So, what were some of the challenges? You were talking about challenges that happened with PyMS SQL. What were some of the
Yeah.
challenges, if you want to elaborate a little bit?
So I cannot actually connect my Microsoft SQL server. I just can't. I don't know why. All those error messages are just so generic that you can't actually find the reason.
Yeah.
So also, some of you may not know there's a Linux driver for Microsoft SQL. So you know it today. And yeah, that's
Awesome.
basically it.
Well, cool. Well, thank you very much for participating.
Yeah.
This has been awesome.
Awesome.
Good to hear all of your struggles because yeah, Python 2 is EOL'd and there's not support for it anymore. So if there are any issues that happen with compatibility or drivers or whatever, those are not going to be maintained. So it's been interesting to hear what you have to say about it.
Uh, so I am really glad to be part of this hackathon, and also it was great to just watch the conference virtually. So some of us just have fun with quarantine.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah. So you are great. Everyone is great. So enjoy the show.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And now we're also joined by Charlotte here. Charlotte, you are a representative from CTF Circle, right?
Yeah, I was working with them.
All right,
Um,
cool. So yeah, y'all have won the conference.
yeah, somehow.
So yeah, do you? I hear there's write-ups that are in the works right now. Or that's what Savage Jen said in the chat. Do you want to talk a little bit about the CTF or anything? You have anything to say about it?
So this was actually my like second CTF ever. So I really enjoyed it. I the actually third CTF, sorry. I've done one attack defense and one other Jeopardy style. And I really enjoyed the like variety of different challenges, even though we were only able to get, what is this, 7 of the challenges. There was still a huge variety in those 7, and then poking at all those other challenges. We got a bit into the 2-bit crook, a bit into we actually got the flag for the Compy 386, but it was either right as it closed or it just wasn't accepting the flag. The RZA was fun to poke at. Even the ones that we weren't able to get flags from, I think we all really enjoyed working on.
Yeah. No, I
That's,
mean no.
That can't be 386. Strong bad reference, by the way.
Yeah.
But it was mean. It was cruel because it looked easy, but it wasn't.
Yeah. We got a flag right at the end, and it's a good flag.
Awesome. So yeah, what was the hardest one that you guys did?
That we actually got. Well, I'd say the Compy one, but seeing as we didn't get points for that, one member from our team managed to do the TCMU basically all on their own, and I think, at least from what I saw of that, that would have been the most challenging for me, at least.
Yeah.
The params is the one that I params or yeah, I think the params one is the one where we ended up having the most teamwork pulling together to get anything. Though late again with the Compy one, we pulled together and choked pretty hard on that.
That's awesome.
Our work on the crossword is the most horrifying spreadsheet I have ever made. We weren't even close, but I think I sent it in the AirGap Discord in the CTF channel. There's a screenshot of my spreadsheet, and that thing was horrifying to work on, but thoroughly enjoyable.
Thanks to Shell for that. I just want to make a quick sorry. I want to make a quick note as well about the person who came in second, Gilda. About 2 hours ago was saying how drunk they were. So if you have a look at the graph, that's a very good effort, notable effort. But yeah.
Killa definitely killed it too. But yeah, no, there's a lot of people that do this. It's been awesome to see everybody working on this. There's a lot of really weird flags and weird challenges. Same with the Twitch to Shell. We tried to make stuff a little bit different from what you might normally see during a CTF or some sort of other challenge. So shout out to everybody for thinking outside of the box and actually getting something done. Even if you got one flag, all the flags are really hard to get, and there was nothing that was like an easy win kind of thing. So everybody who did make points or tried it, you guys did great. Awesome.
Yeah, and it'll be up for a little while as well. So if you want to try it, you still can.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you won't get any real points or miss from it, but yeah, we will. Excited to see write-ups. Write-ups are encouraged. If you guys, anybody else has write-ups that they've done, more than welcome to, publish them or do a video on or whatever you want to do, show people about it. And yeah, so is it YT Creator almost ready to go? We want to do a little bit of music.
Let's see, do we have YT Cracker ready to go?
Oh Christ! Oh Christ! Oh Christ! Oh Christ! Oh.
Yeah, we'll just see.
So we'll bring YT on now, and yeah, see you guys in the Discord, and hopefully through to our Matrix as well.
Oh yeah, thanks everybody. This has been awesome. We love you all. This is really cool. Also, we raised $300 for Master Docs, but we're still going to donate 1,000, so that's $1,300+. So thank you to everybody who donated. It's been awesome. If you still want to donate, you totally can. You should. But yeah, we will be sending over that money right now. And we will also, everything that's on that was streamed today, later on tonight, I'll be cutting all the talks up and throwing them onto VODs for Twitch, and we're also going to put them on our YouTube channel. So let me find the link to that. Actually, I don't remember what it is, but
yeah, we'll tweet it out. So yeah, so thanks everyone for watching and showing up. And this is until the next time that ThougCrowd decides to do something public. So that's it from us for now.